special marine warning for near shore waters from Windsor Harbor to County Line. Near shore waters until 10:15 p.m. Central Standard Time. At 7:09 p.m. Central Standard Time, severe thunderstorms were located along a line extending from 9 nautical miles north of Elgin to 8 nautical miles southwest of Aurora, moving east at 35 knots. Hazard, wind gusts to nearly 50 knots and large hail. Source, radar. Impact, small craft could be damaged and briefly higher winds and suddenly higher waves. Large hail could result in structural damage. Locations impacted include Harrison Beaver, Crib, Wilmette Harbor, 31st Street Harbor, Monroe Harbor, Burns Harbor, Calumet Harbor, Winthrop Harbor, Indiana Harbor, Montrose Harbor, Waukegan Harbor, Luna Harbor, and Hammond Marina. The tornado watch remains until 10 p.m. Central Standard Time for northeastern Illinois, northwestern Indiana, and the adjacent waters of Lake Michigan. Move to safe harbor until hazardous weather passes.